Here's the Kapalabhati part of the breath work for the long form. Feel free to use the previous Kapalabhati. This is more pumpings, quicker pumpings, and we're also going to use the bandhas a little bit, so this is quite a bit more intense. A reminder, please don't do this if you have high blood pressure and are not medicated, or if you have heart disease, or if you're pregnant. You can go back to the tutorial to find out what else you can do instead. So we're going to do 60 pumpings. It's an active exhale and a passive inhale. After the 60, we're going to bend down a little bit and hold the breath out for a count of 10. If that's too long, please breathe sooner. And we're going to lift up, engage the Mula Bandha, which is lifting the pelvic floor, engage the Jalandhara Bandha, which is dropping the chin down, and then hold the breath in for 10 seconds. And again, shorten that if necessary. So we'll do that 3 times. Feel free to place your hand on your belly so you can feel the abdominal wall pressing back. Let's take a couple long, slow breaths to gather ourselves. Your complete exhale. And then we'll take one more inhale to prepare. And we'll begin 60 pumpings. Now completely breathe out, hold the breath out, 10 seconds. And inhale, lift up tall, full inhale. Pause, pull the pelvic floor up, drop the chin down, and pause for 10 seconds. Then slowly release the breath, relax the bandhas, and take 3 relaxed breaths. We're preparing now for the second round. Complete exhale and inhale to prepare. And exhale completely, fold down a little bit, hold the breath out. And inhale, lift, fill completely. Engage the Mula Bandha and the Jalandhara Bandha and pause for 10. And slow exhale, relax. And 3 more slow breaths before the final round. Exhale completely. And inhale to prepare. And completely exhale and hold the breath out. Inhale, full breath. Engage the bandhas and hold for 10. Relax. Take 3 slow breaths. We're going to move now into the buzzing bee breath. You can use the first variation with the hands, where the thumbs cover the ears and the fingers rest along the brow. You can use the second variation. Again, the thumbs will cover the ears in each variation, and the fingers are wide but cupped up high. And the third possibility is Shanmukta Mudra. And we do this again by covering the ears with the thumbs, placing the index fingers very lightly on the eyes, no pressure. The middle fingers next to the nose, the third fingers on the top of the lips, and the little fingers underneath the bottom lips. So any of those 3 hand positions, no pressure on your eyes, please, if you're in this one. We're going to do 5 hums. Again, choose your own pitch and do the length that suits you. And take an inhale. When you're done, relax your hands down. Keep your eyes closed for a moment. And take a couple relaxed breaths, feeling the sensations. If you have time, right now would be a great time to sit and be quiet for 5 or 10 minutes. Whenever you're ready, just open the eyes slowly. And wish you a wonderful day. Thanks for being here, and hope the cleanse is going well for you. Namaste.